Welcome. In this video I will show you how to put your HP 255 on a lock screen. So the first way to do so is using a Windows shortcut on your laptop of Windows key pressed along with L key, which will immediately put your device on a lock screen. Alternatively, you can also go to the Start menu by clicking right here, select Power Options and select Lock. And this will also put your device on a lock screen. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.